Kabingi keren hak review meeting hapo kejelam jong Chief Minister Badon Burom menta kajan mit nilayathir jingmut bha hakawedei bat ka jingdon ka marba mardi hapo kejelam megala jong ibaro kawai ngas ngeu bha ban pentip yaki pajba nongsong snong jong kejelam megala bakim dei ban kuslai ka marba mardi kastok kadang biang bat kim day bandon kanu kajing syapting nang ni syakmat namar nakal yang kesorkar ngi pej benia yakani man kasngi bat kabaar kabang kwa ban pentip ang ni ru kasorkar India kala sanction shu ya une ukau ubangi ju ai san kilo shikle hakaway pakaway kayin kibahap hapo ka AAY but PHH category ya une ukaw ngila ay order ya baro ki wholesalers hapo kajela bakin lift na ki FCI go down baper bat banra salaki jong ki jaka khnang ba nyok pan sam no mentau benai bat une ukau ubengi ong ka skim kerpang PMGKAY ngiyo na kamenta arbenai ubenai me bat ubenai June. As far as the availability of essential commodities, I would like to inform, and this is for the information of all the citizens of the state, we have enough stocks. We do have enough stocks of essential commodities. And secondly, I would like to inform that the government of India is kind enough to again sanction additional allotment of rice, where we call it free rice, under PMGKAY for the month of May and June. And lifting of rice has just started. Lifting of rice has just started, and distribution will take place within this month itself. Kawaipat kabenta kabingi keren mentan hapo ka review meeting kalong hakawidei bat ki vaksin na kuaban pentip akan gapor na kabener kenjiktip jong ki pajba no snong jong ke jela ke jongi ngiladep siu pisa na kamta saupo ar hajar teli ki vaksin hakador lais pa tengka kawai ke vaksin but tang kendiat sengi nang ni ngin sayo ya kan ni ke vaksin but hadin bangilayo ngin sa ai inject ye ki pajba no snong jong ke jela ke jongi claim da don kam ban siudor AA kasorkar kan siu ya kador jong ka vaccination baro has already paid the vaccination cost to the manufacturing company for 42,000 vaccination, and these vaccination will reach our state within few days time from now, and the cost of the vaccination, each vaccination is rupees 300. And I would like to inform to the citizens of the state that the government has decided to give free of cost for vaccination to each and every beneficiaries.